Hi everyone, welcome back to our SEO series. Let's talk about an important part of SEO, on-page SEO. Specifically, we're going to talk about content, HTML, and website architecture. First up, content. So, what makes content king in the SEO world? Simply put, it's all about providing value. Imagine you're looking for the best pizza place in town. You type it into Google, and the first result is a blog post that talks about the history of pizza. That's not helpful. You want a list of the best spots with reviews and maybe even pictures. Key points for content. Your content should be relevant to your audience. If your website is about gardening, write about plants, garden tools, and techniques, not about your favorite movies. It's better to have one comprehensive, well-researched article than 10 short, fluff pieces. Use keywords wisely. Keywords are the terms people type into search engines. Incorporate them naturally into your content. For example, if you're writing about tomato gardening, use phrases like how to grow tomatoes, best tomato varieties, and tomato care tips. Break up text with headings, bullet points, and images. No one likes reading a wall of text. Ask questions to keep readers engaged. For instance, ever wondered why your tomatoes aren't ripening? Then answer it with helpful tips. Next, let's talk about HTML. Don't worry, you don't need to be a coding expert to understand this. Key HTML elements. The title tag is the first thing people see in search results. It should be clear and include your main keyword. For example, how to grow tomatoes, tips and tricks. Meta descriptions provide a brief summary of your page. Make it enticing. Think of it as your website's sales pitch. For instance, learn the secrets to growing the juiciest tomatoes in your own backyard. Tips from experts included. Use header tags to structure your content. H1 is your main title, H2s are your main headings, and H3s are subheadings. This not only makes your content more readable, but also helps search engines understand your page's structure. Search engines can't see images. Use alt text to describe what the image is about. For example, a ripe red tomato on a vine. Finally, let's discuss website architecture. Think of your website as a house. You want everything to be well organized and easy to find. Key points for website architecture. Keep URLs short and descriptive. Instead of website.com/1-3, use website.com/growtomatoes. Link to other relevant pages on your site. If you have a post about tomato gardening, link to other articles about pest control or soil preparation. This helps search engines understand your site's hierarchy and keeps visitors engaged longer. More people are using their phones to browse the internet. Make sure your site looks good and works well on mobile devices. Google also prioritizes mobile-friendly websites in its rankings. No one likes a slow website. Compress images, use a good hosting provider, and minimize code to keep your site speedy. So, there you have it. On-page SEO isn't just about stuffing keywords. It's about creating valuable content, using HTML effectively, and building a user-friendly website. Now, let's jump into our next topic, off-page SEO. If you've ever wondered how to boost your website's credibility and traffic without touching a single line of your website's code, this section is for you. We'll be talking about backlinks, social signals, and online reputation. First up, let's talk about backlinks. What are backlinks? Simply put, backlinks are like votes of confidence from other websites. Imagine you're a chef and other chefs keep recommending your restaurant. That's what backlinks do for your site, but here's the kicker. Not all backlinks are created equal. You want backlinks from reputable, high-authority sites. Think of it like this. If a well-known food critic praises your restaurant, it's a big deal, right? Same with backlinks. High-quality backlinks from trusted sites can boost your search rankings significantly. But how do you get these backlinks? One practical way is by creating valuable content that others want to share. Blogs, infographics, and videos are great for this. You can also reach out to bloggers and influencers in your niche, just like making friends at a party, but online. Next, let's chat about social signals. Ever heard of them? Social signals are the likes, shares, and comments your content gets on social media. They show search engines that people find your content useful and engaging. Imagine posting a hilarious meme and getting tons of likes and shares. Not only does this boost your visibility on social media, but it also sends positive signals to search engines. So, stay active on platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Share your content, engage with your audience, and watch those social signals soar. Finally, let's discuss online reputation. Your online reputation is like your personal brand. If people trust and respect you, they're more likely to visit your site and recommend it to others. One practical tip for maintaining a good online reputation is managing your reviews. Encourage your happy users to leave positive reviews and respond to them. Yes, even the negative ones. Handling criticism professionally can turn a bad situation into a win. Another way to boost your reputation is by guest blogging on reputable sites. This not only gets you valuable backlinks, but also positions you as an authority in your field. So, there you have it. Off-page SEO in a nutshell. Focus on getting high-quality backlinks, boosting your social signals, and maintaining a stellar online reputation. Now we're getting into the details of technical SEO, focusing on three crucial aspects: site speed, mobile optimization, and security. Let's get started. Site speed. Imagine waiting for a web page to load. Seems like forever, right? Well, search engines feel the same way. Google loves fast loading sites because they offer a better user experience. But why does it matter? Faster sites tend to have lower bounce rates and higher engagement. This means happier users and potentially higher rankings. Take tools like Google PageSpeed Insights. They analyze your site's speed and give suggestions to make it faster. For instance, optimizing images or using a content delivery network can significantly speed up your website. Faster load times mean users stick around longer. Mobile optimization. How often do you browse the web on your phone? More than half of all web traffic comes from mobile devices today. So, it's crucial that your site looks and works great on smartphones and tablets. Google's mobile-friendly test checks if your site meets mobile usability standards. Responsive design, where your site adapts to different screen sizes seamlessly, is key here. Mobile optimization isn't just about looks. It's about usability and ensuring visitors can navigate and engage easily, whether they're on a desktop or a phone. Security. Ever seen a not secure warning on a website? That's a big turnoff for users and search engines alike. Google prioritizes secure sites with HTTPS in search results because they provide a safer browsing experience. Switching to HTTPS encrypts data transmitted between your site and its users, protecting their information from hackers. It also builds trust. Visitors are more likely to engage and return to secure sites. Plus, Google rewards HTTPS sites with a slight ranking boost. So, there you have it. Technical SEO in a nutshell. By optimizing your site's speed, ensuring it's mobile-friendly, and securing it with HTTPS, you're not only improving user experience but also boosting your chances of ranking higher on Google. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more SEO wisdom coming your way. Until next time, keep optimizing.